Can you guess today's theme? Hello! Welcome back to the Spoony Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoony Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoony Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit the like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Today we're talking about bunnies. Bunnies, cute, fluffy bunnies, so small and cute with the little fluffy tails and oof, bunnies. So it's close to Easter, and so I felt this was a good time to talk about bunnies. So there are lots of bunny patterns that I'm going to talk about today. They will all be linked down below in the description box if you would like to make them for yourself. And yes, some of them are my patterns, but not all of them. So let's highlight some cute bunny patterns that you can make for Easter. The first one I want to highlight is pretty obvious. It's the Peep. Obviously, everybody likes to make the little peep around Easter. This was a really fun pattern. I don't remember the designer and everything, but every pattern down below will be linked in the order that I speak about them. So this is the Peep Bunny, and the little sleep mask though is my own design. I just was playing around one day and I thought she was Sleepy Peep. So it's really fun though. So look, ta-da! I used the Just Chenille from the Dollar Tree and a little bit of worsted weight yarn to make her facial details. And yeah, I think I used a 5mm hook. So cute, right? So you gotta make a peep. I think everybody makes a peep around Easter. They're just fun and cute. So I highly recommend this one. It was really easy. It's all made in one piece, and then you make one ear, and then you'll reattach it and make the second ear. So it was really easy though. I liked it. I highly recommend when you're making it, get a rubber band. Push down the first ear that you made and hold it to the head while you work on the second one, and then it's not in your way. This is another version of kind of a peep. This is from the 1 Hour Amigurumi book. I did an entire review on this book. I will link that video down below if you want to see. Is it really something you can make in an hour? Let's see if I can find which one. I think I did okay. I think it's cute. So, yeah. Just worsted weight yarn, a couple of safety eyes. Didn't give it a smile. Oops. So that is from the 1 Hour Amigurumi book. I will be honest, I don't know if this pattern is still available. I did this a long time ago during a crochet along with several designers, and this is actually a Halloween pattern because it is a cotton candy bunny, I believe. And so this is made out of the, what is that yarn called? Bernat Fleece Finer, I think, or maybe it was just the Bernat Fleece. I don't know. It's all made out of that, including the face. And I really like that decision. It's supposed to be made out of really tiny yarn, but I really like the decision that I made because it's soft and cute and totally safe for babies. Everything is sewn on really well, and there's no little loose pieces that they can, you know, choke on or anything. Plus it feels good because it's all fuzzy. So this is Cotton Candy Bunny, and I will do my best to link her down below. If she is no longer available, I will tell you right here. This is one of my favorites. This is a BAWNimal. B-A-W-N-I-M-A-L. BAWNimal. This is a little creation by Louie at Club Crochet. They have all different animals you can make, frogs and mice and pigs, and he's working on even more, but this is the bunny. Isn't he cute? He's really fun to make. I want to make like a whole little gang of these bunnies. My mother has affectionately named him Marty. So this is Marty. So this is the BAWNimal bunny by Club Crochet. Highly recommend. I do think it is a tutorial on YouTube. I could be wrong, but I will link the Club Crochet website down below. I highly recommend becoming a member because it's a lot of fun. There is a free version and there are paid versions, different levels, and you get all kinds of fun perks. Louis is a great teacher. I love his teaching style, so highly recommend checking out Club Crochet. I will link their YouTube channel down below as well. But this is the BAWNimal bunny, perfect to make for Easter baskets, and they fit inside an egg. Right now, these are in my mother's Easter box, but I've also done Sara Sach's hot pads with the bunny, lamb, and chick. They're so cute. They're tutorials on YouTube. I will link them down below. They're really easy. The only thing I did differently than her pattern is if you flip them over, I gave each of them tails. I double layered it because I wanted each of them to have tails and I wanted them to be used as trivets on an Easter table. So they're made with 100% cotton and they're double layered. But I just changed the colors a little bit so they'd each have a tail. This is another pattern I enjoyed doing a while back. This is a little bunny dressed as a carrot. I don't know, I just find it amusing. I think it's really cute. I'll link the pattern down below. I think it's on Ravelry. Sweet Potato 3 created this really cute pattern where there's an egg and you kind of like tuck the little animals in like it's their little bed. I forget what it's called, but I think it's like Easter Pocket Pals or something like that. Anyway, I have only made the bunny and the chick, as you can see here. I have never made the pocket, but I'm sure it's just as easy as the bunny and the chick were, and it's so cute, so I'll link this one down below as well. A Menagerie of Stitches made this calendar with all of these cute little seasonal bunnies. All the little bunnies are in costumes for each season, and she has an Easter section. One is dressed as an egg, one is dressed as a chick hatching from an egg, one is dressed as a lamb, and one is dressed as a carrot. So that's also really fun. I haven't made these specifically, but I have made bunnies from this whole bunny collection before. I've made the yarn ball bunny. So I highly recommend her bunny pattern, and I will link it down below for you. Okay, my patterns. So this is the Itty Bitty Bunny. And it's no-sew. The entire thing can be made in one fell swoop. Isn't it cute? It's very simple. You can put it inside little Easter eggs for kids or their baskets. Very safe because there's no extra features. You could stitch on some features if you like. I kind of like it like this because it kind of reminds me of a chocolate bunny. And so this is the Itty Bitty Bunny. It is a pattern on my YouTube channel, so all you have to do, it scrolls across the screen and you can make it along with it. I also have it on Instagram if you follow me there. So, isn't it cute? You can make it in different colors. Here's gray. Very easy, very simple, very fast. But my favorite bunny pattern is actually the tutorial that started it all. My very first tutorial on this channel is my Pill Pal Pet Bunny. With tail. These don't have any arms or legs. They're little pill shapes. That's it. They're just pill shapes. And you can make them in different sizes. I tell you that in the tutorial. And you can even go a little extra and make Peter Rabbit. So all I did was a few color changes here and then added a little easy little collar. And voila, it's Peter Rabbit. And I think I'm gonna get these wrong, but I'm gonna try. Flopsy? I think this is the right one. This is Flopsy. Mopsy. I might have gotten those two backwards. Her ear will not stay back. And Cottontail. So cute. So yes, I made the little rabbit family. And you can too. Start with the Pill Pal Pet Bunny. They're very easy, very fun. And they're so cute. And they're perfect for Easter. And they fit inside little Easter eggs. If you use the 3.5 hook, it's more likely to fit inside the Easter egg. If you use the 4mm hook, it could be in the Easter basket. So that is it for today. That is all the bunny patterns that I have to show you. Remember, they will all be linked down below. Happy Easter. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.